Tropical plants easily adjust to a range of interior conditions, demonstrating that exotic, lush foliage isn't limited to the tropics. These thoughtfully selected botanical treasures will improve the look of your interior decor by bringing life and tranquility to every area of your home. Let's explore the top 18 tropical indoor plants. Alocasia. The elephant ear plant, or alocasia, is a tropical houseplant that draws attention with its striking, arrow-shaped leaves and noticeable veins because it thrives on humidity. This plant is perfect for bright, indirect light-filled bathrooms or kitchens. It's a gorgeous statement item that gives any interior space a hint of exoticism and a sculpture aspect. Calathea. Calathea is renowned for its distinctive feature, its exquisitely patterned leaves. It's almost like a daily dance, as the leaves move up and down, in reaction to the light. This plant is ideal for a bathroom with a window, because it loves high humidity and indirect light. It's a captivating addition that infuses your interior area with beauty and movement. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa, a tropical indoor plant, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a popular choice for interior design. Its broad, glossy leaves have a remarkable visual effect due to their distinctive splits and holes. This plant is perfect for indoor environments because it prefers indirect light and only requires modest watering. It's a great option to add a touch of the tropics to any space because of its air purify properties and adaptability to different indoor circumstances. Rubber plant, or Ficus elastica. One of the greatest tropical plants to have indoors is the rubber plant. Its broad leathery leaves are striking. It requires little maintenance and grows well in moderate light, making it an easy choice for care. This plant adds a feeling of drama and natural beauty to living spaces and offices, making it the ideal focal point. Anthurium. Anthurium is a unique indoor tropical plant with its glossy green leaves and vibrant, heart-shaped flowers. This plant is ideal for well-lit bathrooms or kitchens because it enjoys humidity and indirect sunshine. Its multicolored, long-lasting blossoms provide your decor a bright flash of color. Anthuriums are a visually arresting and helpful addition to any house, since they filter the air. Philodendron. With their heart-shaped rich green leaves, philodendrons are ideal for shelves or hanging baskets because of their cascading impact. Although it can tolerate lower light levels, this tropical plant does best in moderate light indoors. It's a multi-purpose plant that gives your decor a whimsical, romantic feel. Snake plant. Snake plant, or the Sansevieria, is renowned for its sword-like erect leaves. It is a great plant for small areas, or to use as a vertical accent in a corner of a room. It requires very little upkeep, purifies the air, looks well in living rooms and bedrooms, and does well in a variety of lighting scenarios. Z plant, or Zamioculcas almofolia. The Z plant, a popular tropical houseplant that can tolerate neglect and flourish in low light, is a wonder of the plant world. Its shiny, waxy leaves reflect light, bringing light into gloomy areas. It's ideal for people who are often on the go, or for areas like offices or hallways with little natural light. Peace lily, or Spathiphyllum. Peace lily are beloved tropical houseplants. They are known for their elegant white flowers and lush green foliage. They thrive in low to medium light conditions, and have the added benefit of purify the air. Tis lily are forgiving and low maintenance, perfect for beginners or busy homeowners. They add a touch of elegance to any interior, and are particularly well suited for bedrooms or offices. Potholes. Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, is a hardy plant that thrives with minimal care. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves make it ideal for hanging baskets or high shelves, where its foliage can elegantly cascade. Pothos adapts well to a variety of lighting conditions, including low light, and only requires watering when the soil feels dry. It's an excellent choice for adding a touch of greenery in less sunny spaces. Watermelon peperomia. Peperomia arcaria, commonly known as watermelon peperomia, is a popular houseplant known for its striking foliage, which resembles the rind of a watermelon. It prefers bright indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot. This plant enjoys higher humidity levels, but can tolerate average household humidity. Moth orchid. Moth orchid, also known as phalaenopsis. This tropical orchids are a diverse and beautiful group of plants, often admired for their intricate and vibrant flowers. Most tropical orchids prefer bright indirect light. Watering needs can vary, but generally, orchids should be watered when the potting medium is almost dry. African violet, St. Paulia ionantha. The African violet is a compact, flowering tropical houseplant. It features fuzzy, green leaves and requires conscientious care to thrive. It meets the right amount of light and water, along with warm and humid conditions, balanced by sufficient airflow. The ideal spot for this plant receives bright, indirect light. To deep purple blossoms of the African violet will add a pop of color to your bedroom or home. Bromeliad. Bromeliads are tropical houseplants, known for their vibrant, long-lasting flowers and unique foliage. They're incredibly versatile and can grow in various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. Bromeliads are ideal for adding a pop of color to any room. Their easy care and striking appearance make them a favorite among interior designers. Dracaena. Dracaena plants are common tropical houseplants, known for their long, striped leaves and tree-like appearance, and offer a striking sculptural element. They're adaptable to various lighting conditions, although they prefer indirect light. Dracaenas help purify the air and are relatively easy to care for, needing only occasional watering. They're ideal for adding height and visual interest in spaces like living rooms or large offices. Bird of paradise or Strelitzia. The bird of paradise is renowned for its large, banana-like leaves and stunning crane-like flowers. It's a perfect plant for adding a dramatic, tropical touch to well-lit indoor areas. This plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight and requires regular watering. It's a great choice for rooms with large windows, or sunrooms where it can bask in ample natural light. Erica palm. The Erica palm is a favorite for adding soft, tropical elegance to any space. Its feathery, arching fronds create a sense of lightness and movement. This palm prefers bright, indirect light and regular watering, but is tolerant of less than ideal conditions. It's a great way to introduce a natural, airy element to your living or working space. Fiddle leaf fig or Ficus laurata. The fiddle leaf fig is a tropical plant, known for its large, violin-shaped leaves and upright growth habit. It makes a bold architectural statement in any space. This plant prefers bright, indirect light and needs to be watered only when the top pinch of soil is dry. Perfect for corners or beside large furniture, it brings an elegant tropical vibe to modern interiors. With their distinct textures, shapes and colors, these tropical plants give something more than just visual appeal. They add a touch of the tropics to any area and elevate the atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.